going on, guys? Today I'm going to be going over something that's really important to your business, and that is keeping good financial records. Specifically, I'm going to be covering Fetcher, which is a great tool for Amazon sellers. It links to your account and will pull in all the cost information as far as FBA fees, shipping from your Amazon store and into Fetcher, and give you a good idea as to whether you're profitable or whether you're losing money on certain products. So this is definitely an important tool to have. If you don't have it, I suggest getting it or getting something like it. Otherwise, you'll be spending way too much time trying to keep track of this stuff yourself. And if you're not keeping track of this stuff, then you should, because who knows, you might not be profitable. So anyway, I'm gonna go and do a screen share real quick, go through the software, give you an idea of what it is. If you're interested in getting it, I have a link in the description below. Just click on it. Yes, it's an affiliate link. That's how I fund this channel. And I won't recommend anything unless I personally use it or I think it's something that you should be using. So anyway, let's jump right into it. So here I am in my Fetcher dashboard. You can see right away the things that are presented to you are sales, the amount of units you've sold, your cost, your profit, and your margin. This is the time frame drop down. You can see different cuts. So if I wanted to look at the past 7 days, I could see what my profit was. These are just nice graphs and charts explaining how you did on each day, what your costs were made up of on each day. So yeah, dashboard's great, it's simple. I love it. I log into this every day to see how I'm doing. Obviously, I'm not making a whole lot of money, but you don't care. So in here, you can see in your sales and profit, it breaks it down by ASIN. So you can see what your most profitable products are and which ones suck. I can show you the ones that suck for me real fast. If I go to my past 30 days. See, I lost money on these, so I know not to sell those again. But I made real good money on this stuff at the top, on the other end of the graph, and so I will try and keep selling those if I can. This is where you would enter your expenses. Simply click into the drop down. When you've bought a new product, you can enter the cost of that product in here. The cost of shipping, which hopefully you're not paying for inbound shipping, and just click add. If you buy it at a different date, then just choose the date that you bought that on, and if it's a different price, put that in there and then add. That way you're getting accurate numbers. And yeah, so this has all of my cost information by product. If you want to know your reshipping costs, so the cost of shipping from your house or your warehouse or wherever you store your products to Amazon, you can come into this tab, click on the drop down. It gives you an idea of what your shipping cost was by SKU. Then for stuff that doesn't feed through Amazon, you would come into this other expenses tab and you'd enter that stuff manually. You would enter it as a one-time expense. So I have my printer on here. It's a one-time expense of $119, and then I have merchant words in here, which is a monthly cost. So that's where you would enter this stuff. And then if you were concerned about refunds on products, you could come to the refunds tab and look at that information, see the refund rate. So this product has a terrible refund rate, so I won't be selling it again. 16% of the ones that I have sold have been refunded, whereas my dog food, only 1% has been refunded. So I'll keep selling that, it's not bad. If you want to get better insight on the costs of your product, you go to the product breakdown tab. I'm going to go pull in the 90-day or the 60-day view on this, and you can see what your ROI was, what your margin was, profit, the amount that you sold. You can even see, okay, here's my shipping cost to ship to Amazon. Those are the order fees. Yeah, you get the picture. You can do that with each of these tabs here. So I had one refund, so that's going to be netted out of my sales. And then, yeah, has the units sold, the units that are pending sale. So yeah, pretty good information, just to give you an idea of how you're doing on each product. And if you have a private label product and you're doing PPC, that will also get built into here. So pretty nice, pretty informational. It definitely helps you determine if you want to keep either spending PPC on the private label product or keep investing in that product in general. Finally, you have your P&L, the most important part. It helps you determine how you've gotten to your profit. As you can see, here's some of my one-time expenses that I entered in. It tells me all my reshipping costs by month, and then my cost of goods. So this is what I actually spent on those, and order fees and so on. So Fetcher is great. It helps you keep track of things, makes it very easy for you. I definitely recommend you getting some kind of accounting system, and I think that for the price that you'll pay for Fetcher, it's well worth it. Doing all this manually would freaking suck. So I've included Fetcher, link to Fetcher in the description below. If you find this video helpful, just give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment box below. I'd be happy to answer your questions for you. And yeah, YouTube, guys, keep it real, keep selling, and hopefully you're making good profits. Alrighty, talk to you later.